Inside the vegetable garden, we have a couple of fruit trees growing too. We have a plum here that came from a Tree Folks giveaway. It's called a Methley plum. So Methley plum. And then down in the chicken coop itself, we have a fig, which isn't doing so great this summer, but I'm not giving up on it. I'm going to keep watering it. So here, it's a little bit easier to water because, as you can see, we're within the fence. The spigot is up there on the building, and so I've turned it on both of them. I do 5 minutes. The soil down where the fig is really hard and compact from construction and not taking up the base of the old school loading dock area. So I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to save the fig. Might need to try something else there, might need to bring in a lot more soil or build a raised bed. But for now, I'm just going to keep trying. Another thing I wanted to show you with this plum that folks are going to be helping to water is this is the plum tree with the bigger leaves and plums. You can always tell because they have a little bit of a reddish tint to their bark, which is really beautiful. But this also has some volunteers growing up around it. You can see this tall plant here with these spikes that's coming up. This is a wild amaranth. And so we've done some other videos about this cultivated amaranth, and I wanted to show you the size difference. So this is the cultivated amaranth where people have bred different plants to make sure, well, different amaranths to continue to get as many of those little nutritious seeds as they can from the plant, versus this is a wild one that you will see growing all around town. It does really well in disturbed areas that doesn't have a lot of great nutrition in the soil, but somehow this really hardy plant survives. So, amaranth and amaranth. With human intervention, as nature created it, both nutritious and both in our garden.